Hello students, myself Muthura JNP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru 2. Now I will explain about the heat transfer thermal resistance problem. That too, the problem parallel and series. Parallel and series. The problem I will going to explain now about the parallel and a series problem that I will explain. See, a thermal resistance which is in the parallel, this will be resembles to your electric resistance. This will be like this. This will have the area A1. This will be the area A2. Why? Because see, this distance from here to here, the see this is the width will be the same. The thickness T1. This will be the thickness T2. It will be there. Therefore, you will have the area A1 and A2. Therefore, you can find the area A1, area A2, and then thermal conductivity is K1 and K2. K1, K2, K1, K2, L. Both are having the same thickness L. Please note on the sketch. The thermal resistance at this particular point, it will be 1, and the thermal resistance will be here 2. Next, you will going to write the temperature difference TA, TB. Here you can find the temperature difference, temperature TA, and distance side it will be the TB, TB, TA. R1, R2 both are in parallel. R1, R2. I'll write the thermal resistance which are equal, which is to be the equal. It is the formula for the equal resistance. It will be like this. This is 1 upon R equivalent. It is equal to 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2. After the calculation, R1, R2, it will be the LCM R1 into R2. Therefore, R2 will go here, R1 will goes here. It will be your 1 upon R equivalent. It is equal to R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2. Therefore, R equivalent it is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Note on this. Now note on the problem. A very important problem for you guys. The examination problem. Find the heat transfer through a composite wall as shown in the figure, and thermal conductivity if each are given Ka, Kb, Kc, and last it will be thermal conductivities are given Ka, Kb, Kc, and Kd. The sketch is this. This is the sketch. It is with the temperature difference 400 degrees Celsius, here 60 degrees Celsius. Area through which heat is transferred, that is the area through which heat transfer is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Where 10 centimeter? This is 6 plus 7, 10 centimeter. See, this is the flow area heat transfer. This is 10 by 10. Okay. Therefore, when it is comes here, this will be splits like this one. This is supposed to be the 10. This is 3 and then 7. Then this area is 10 into 3 centimeter square. 10 into 7 centimeter square. Please understand this one properly. This is the thermal conductivity Kb, thermal conductivity Kc. Therefore, it's having the thermal resistance. It's having the thermal resistance. R thermal resistance it is equal to R thermal resistance it is equal to these things you want to find. This is the sketch not done properly. Thermal resistance sketch it is given. This is temperature T1. This is the temperature T2. T4. Let me write T4. Here temperature T1, T2, T3 and T4 temperatures. 400 degrees Celsius is there. Here T4 is 60 degrees Celsius. Note on this sketch properly. Temperature T2, temperature T3. Then you want to find here the R thermal resistance. R thermal resistance, that is equivalent is equal to R thermal resistance due to B into R thermal resistance due to C divided by R thermal resistance B plus R thermal resistance C. This is the formula you want to write down. Area you note down. First one is 10 into 10 centimeter square, that will become 0.01 meter square. Area of B 10 into 3 centimeter square, that will become 30 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that will be 0.003 meter square. Similarly, you will have the area at C, it is equal to 10 into 7 centimeter is 70 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that is become 0.007 meter square. Last one is 0.01 meter square. That is the D area. You got thermal resistance at L, it is L1 by K1. Area of AA, it is you got this one, and then thermal resistance due to KB, you got this one. Thermal resistance due to KC, you got this one. You got RB, RC, RB, RC, R equivalent, it is like this. R equivalent, you know the formula, it will be like this. Then equivalent thermal resistance will be, so this is supposed to be the 0.147 Kelvin per watt. This is 0.1 Kelvin per watt. Therefore, total thermal resistance you can write 0.02. Total thermal resistance you will get 0.1. Total thermal resistance will be 2.66 Kelvin per watt. Therefore, heat transfer will be change in the temperature difference. Total thermal resistance, you will get the 1359 watts. Overall heat transfer coefficient is equal to, you can put in the formula. You already know how to calculate this one in this second problem. Thank you one and all.